If you find yourself dreading social situations, here's your introvert's guide to going out. Number 1, acknowledge the awkward. It's totally normal to feel awkward or uncomfortable in group settings. Just make sure you're not pushing those feelings down and ignoring them. You can totally admit that it's hard and that you're willing to try. If you always assume the worst, challenge yourself to explore why that might be. Like maybe you've had some bad experiences in your past. Try having more neutral or positive assumptions about the outcome. 3, think about your why. Instead of feeling obligated to go, try and focus on what you're getting out of it. Instead of thinking I should go out more, you can think I'll be making great connections in a new city. 4, set small, attainable goals. First, focus on just showing up. Then staying for 5 minutes, talking to one person, staying for an hour, so on and so forth. 5, and this might be my favorite one, give yourself permission to leave. If this is simply not your vibe, at least you got some helpful data for next time. Arm yourself with what makes you feel more confident. This can be a more extroverted friend or an emotional support iced coffee. And finally, recharge after. Give yourself time and space to decompress so you don't see social settings as totally depleting.